Hello everyone, welcome back to our HTML course series where we are learning HTML from scratch. In today's video, we are going to learn about HTML paragraphs. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create and style paragraphs in HTML. So, let's get started. What is an HTML paragraph? An HTML paragraph is a block of text that starts on a new line and usually has some space before and after it. An HTML paragraph is defined by the p tag, which stands for paragraph. The p tag is a container tag, which means that it has an opening p tag and a closing p tag. Everything between the opening and closing tags is considered to be part of the paragraph. For example, this is an HTML paragraph. How to use HTML paragraphs? You can use HTML paragraphs to divide your text into logical sections, such as introduction, body, and conclusion. You can also use HTML paragraphs to create lists, quotes, headings, and other types of text formatting. To create an HTML paragraph, you simply need to write your text between the opening and closing p tags. You can write as much text as you want in a paragraph, but it is recommended to keep your paragraphs short and concise for better readability. For example, this is an HTML document with 3 paragraphs. How to style HTML paragraphs? By default, HTML paragraphs have some margin before and after them, which creates some space between them. You can change the margin of a paragraph by using CSS, which is a language that allows you to style HTML elements. You can use one of the following CSS style techniques to apply some styles to paragraph elements. Inline styling. You can style paragraphs using inline CSS to control their appearances, such as changing the font size, color, or line spacing. In this example, the style attribute is used to set the font size to 16 pixels, the color to a dark gray, number 333, and the line height to 1.5 times the font size. Internal styling. You can also use internal CSS to change other aspects of a paragraph, such as font size, color, alignment, background color, border, etc. For example, this is how you can change the font size and color of a paragraph by using CSS. Points to remember. You can also nest other HTML elements inside a paragraph, such as links, images, bold text, italic text, etc. However, you cannot nest another paragraph inside a paragraph, as that would create invalid HTML code. Live demo. Let's put our knowledge to the test with a simple example. I'll show you an example of how these paragraph tags can be used in combination with other tags to structure a web page. Let's jump into the Visual Studio Code editor to write some code. Let's create a new HTML file, index.html. Now type HTML5, select the HTML5 boilerplate skeleton code suggested by the Visual Studio Code editor and hit enter on the keyboard. Now, first update the text content inside the title tag. This content will be displayed in the browser tab bar. Now, add the div tag, which is used to make a section block for elements. And insert the ID attribute with a unique identification value. Please keep in mind that no two elements should have the same ID value. Let's add some default styling such as width, margin, padding, and background color. Now, let's insert the h1 heading tag as the main title of our page. Add some dummy text inside the h1 heading element. Now insert the HR self-closing tag for the horizontal line. We have learned about this tag in our previous chapters. Now, let's insert 3p paragraph elements with some text content inside it, and style them with each with different CSS styles. For the first paragraph element, I am using inline styling. Let's give it some font size and font color. For the next paragraph element, I am passing the class attribute with some random name. Now use this name to add some internal styling techniques by calling class attribute name by dot notation and add some font color to it. Now save the file and open it in the browser. Now see the output result. You can see we have different paragraph elements in different sizes and different font colors. If you need this source code, you can download this demo source code file from our ZeroSag GitHub page courses repository. Link in the description box. Congratulations! Now that you have learned how to create paragraphs in HTML, the possibilities are endless. You can use paragraphs to structure your content, provide explanations, or they allow you to organize your text into sections that are easy to read and understand. Make sure to do more practice using paragraph tags with different HTML tags to enhance your web development skills. That's all for today's video on HTML paragraphs. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to learn more, check out the complete HTML course link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.